Okay guys, so we got another pair of dunks, and it's a little bit strange. This one is a little bit strange. I was so ready to say that I do not like this pair of dunks or this colorway of Nike dunks. However, now that I have them in hand, I've been wearing them a little bit, I'm just kind of like, I like them, but it's still a bit weird. Either way, let me show you what I'm talking about, and of course that is the Nike Dunk Low University Red. So we got a regular Nike box, of course all over red, Nike on the front, big swoosh, and then of course just Nike printed all over it. I'll show you the size tag and everything on the front of the box, and then let's flip these open and let me show you today's pair of sneakers, because they're pretty crazy. It is the Nike Dunk Low University Red. Cool, so that is all you get in the box, no extra laces or anything like that. So of course, University Red, we've heard that name before, we've seen that color code on a pair of dunks. Now obviously, these have quite a few differences to, I guess, the University Red from 2020. And yes, we literally got a million pairs of dunks releasing, a literal million pairs of dunks. And I guess this colorway is kind of the epitome of where we're at with Nike dunks. This is a flipped color option of the original, the St. John Nike Dunk Lows. And it's just kind of like, okay, we flipped the colors now. What else are we gonna do? We've done a collaboration with pretty much every skate shop on the planet. We've put out as many GRs as possible. So let's flip some colors around. And I know I say this a lot, but it just kind of feels like this whole dunk wave just happened so quick. It just came and it just took over, and we just kind of saw all these dunks, and it was just like Nike was like, 2021, we are going to put out a million dunks, be ready. And now we're here just over halfway through the year, and we've just seen so many different color options on the Dunk Low, the High. Now, one really good thing that obviously came with the dunk wave being so heavy here in 2021 is the prices of these things have dramatically gone down. I mean, we're a long way off of those kind of first ones that we saw, you know, the first ones that caught that wave of hype, the Syracuse, the Kentucky, the St. John's a little bit, where they were going for what, £500-600, and now these, I mean, this colorway is going for just about retail price. Like, for example, these versus those St. John's, you can tell obviously the colors are flipped. And because of that color flip, again, like I said, I was gonna say that these are just not my favorite. However, putting them on feet, again, it's the same color blocking, so it's kind of like in my head, I'm like, damn, these look good on feet. But at the same time, because it's flipped, it's a little bit of a strange thing for me mentally. I don't know how to feel about it. Either way, this specific colorway, the University Red Nike Dunk Low, these dropped a few days ago here in the EU. However, we'll only see a US release on September the 7th. They retail for the regular £95 here in the UK, and obviously $100 if you are out in the US. So again, I think the most popular colorways of the dunks from here on out, again, because there is so many dropping, the ones that are gonna probably demand the most resale value are going to be the kind of traditional color blocking ones, where you kind of have a base layer of white and then an overlay color that a lot of times represents a school. For this one, North Carolina. For the other ones, St. John's, Syracuse, Kentucky. You get the point. However, these have flipped that St. John's version into, I guess, the base color being red and the overlays being white. Now, theoretically, they could do this with every single popular colorway of the Nike Dunk Low. Imagine this pair, the UNCs, being a base color of light blue and the overlays being white. Imagine the Pandas with the flipped effect, the Syracuse, the Kentucky. It could be cool, and I guess there are a lot of people that would like that. And again, it really just depends how you feel about this one. Now, I know they have done flipped colors in the past. However, this is something that I guess is my first flip colorway of a Dunk, and I like it, but again, it's strange. Again, because I think this is my first flip colorway, there is going to be a little bit of a mental block on like, okay, what have you done? You've just kind of ruined the original and made it into this. However, again, like I said, it does look good on feet. I really do like the way that these colors look on a Nike Dunk. I don't know if I'm imagining this or what, but I just remember the 2020 Dunks having a little bit of a nicer feel to the actual leather and the shoes. And it just kind of seems like they've been slowly being a little bit more complacent with the quality control and the materials. I mean, this pair straight out of the box has all kinds of glue stains and marks. And as far as the leather quality, you're getting the same kind of, I guess, plasticky feel. Yeah, the toe box crease test pretty much says most of it. It pretty much says it all. So if we take a little bit of a closer look at this pair of University Red Dunks, it's pretty much a one-to-one flip of that St. John's pair from 2020. The midsole stays the same, being white, and the outsole being red. However, on top, you can see the overlays again coming in white. I'm talking about the mudguard, the eye stays towards the back of the sneaker, and of course the Nike swoosh. The base leather coming in red, a really nice red, I might add. Of course, the toe box, the medial, the lateral, and around towards the back, including the tongue. So let's get into sizing and how these feel on foot. For me personally, these fit true to size. That's how I've always gone with Nike Dunk Lows, or the highs actually. Nevertheless, if Nike is going to release a sea of different Nike Dunk Lows, at least they're trying out some pretty cool things like flipping the colors. I don't mind it. I definitely think that this is probably one of the cleaner options. Some of the other colorways might not work. In fact, let me know what colorway of a Nike Dunk Low would you like to see flipped on an upcoming sneaker. Let me know. It'd be very interesting down in the comment section. Of course, let me know what you think of this pair down in the comment section as well. Do you like it? Do you not like it? But of course, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one, but until then.